All right, let's take a start. I'm going to ask you some questions. This is speaking part one, right? So, what do you do to relax?
For me, catharsis is of vital importance. To relax, I often go for jogging. It decreases my daily life tension and it boosts my hormone level.
All right, this is good. You also have a daily life tension?
Yes, of
You're
course.
not married? When you are married, then you have a daily life tension. Okay? But, anyways, this is good. Now, listen, this answer is short. You should add some more. What do you do to relax yourself? You say, well, in order to relax myself, I go to, and then you can talk about that. Just make sure there are 4 to 5 clear sentences, right? Now, let's go. Your answer is good, by the way. The word catharsis and this and that, that's fine. Do you think doing sports is a good way to relax?
Yes, of course, playing sports and game is an excellent way to catharsis and
Excellent. Now, don't use the same word second time. If you know a good word, don't use it again and again. Then you're telling the examiner, मुझे यही आता है. Okay, so now don't use catharsis. It's
Okay.
been used already, so use some other words. So, what do you think? Do you think doing sports is a good way to relax?
Yes, of course, it decreases my tension, and whenever I go for playing, it makes me pleasant and boost my productivity, and that's why I like to play and
I like to play sports.
sports,
Okay, so for sports, you can use sports, it,
outdoor
this
activity,
activity,
yes,
while doing this.
physical activity.
Physical activity, so use a variety of words. And speak actively.
Okay.
Otherwise, I'll go to sleep. Huh? So, do you think vacation or going on vacation is a good time for you to relax?
Yes, it's changes with the time
It changes grammatically wrong.
it changes.
Listen. First, you need to answer. Do you think, for example, do you think going on vacation is a good time for you to relax? Absolutely, yes. Why not?
Okay, sir.
Start like this.
Like I'm not agreeing with this.
Even
and
if you
not,
don't agree, then you should say first you should give your opinion, because the question is do you think? Whenever they say do you think, either you think or you don't think so. So for example, do you think going on vacation is a good time for you to relax? I don't think so. I never find vacation or going on vacation quite relaxing, because there's a lot of hassle when you are away from your home. You have to travel, stay in different hotels. So that thing is not relaxing at all. So according to me, going on vacation is never good way to relax when it comes to me, something like that. Okay, so give your opinion first, then elaborate. I mean, I don't want you to give a notion to the examiner that I did not understand the question, or my answer is different and your question is different.
it can be an intermediate thing, like I have such an improvisation, like I not fully agreeing this point.
No,
and not
listen, don't make it so much complicated. This is IELTS speaking part one. They need only 4 to 5 sentence answer. So you can just improvise an ideal answer according to the question. That's it. Okay, so let's go on. Do you think vacation is a good time for you to relax?
Yes, I think so.
And avoid saying yes, sir. Yes, sir is Punjabi. So you should avoid yes, sir. Okay, you should simply say yes. This is called stress. In Punjabi language, we stress the last syllable. Kithe challe ho?
Okay.
Challe ho? Last syllable.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
English, we don't stress the last syllable, right? So you should say yes.
Yes.
Yes. One is yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yes. So carry on.
Yes, of course. Going on for vacation reduces. What was the question?
See that? This is the problem. So you are trying to answer the questions in an overly complicated way. Deal with them in a simple way, you'll be fine. Let's go on. Do you think students need more relaxing time?
Yes, student nowadays busy in more complicated studies.
Students who are busy.
Who are busy in more complicated studies, they need vacation to relaxation.
They
That
need
was
vacation to relax themselves.
sir. The question was, you were asking what the student need to be relaxed.
No.
That was the question.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਮੈਮਰੀ ਦਾ ਇਲਾਜ ਕਰਾਓ ਪਹਿਲੇ, ਹਾਂ we eat some medicine for that. Do you think students, now listen, if you do not answer the question directly, after 2 to 3 sentences, you will forget the question. And if you answer the question directly, answering the question directly means you are giving yourself a message that this is the question. So you should start your answer like this. Do you think students need more relaxing time? Yes, absolutely. According to me, all the students need more time to relax because they usually work very hard and sometimes they study 8 to 10 hours a day. This means they do not sleep properly. So that is why, in order to cope up with their pressures and stresses, I think students need more time to relax, something like that. Yes. If your answer is indirect, you will forget the question, right? Okay, one last question. What do you do at the weekend?
At the weekend, I usually sleep. It makes me.
It makes me.
It makes me.
Yeah.
It makes me less pressureful, and other thing that I do at the weekend to go outing with my friends.
Go outing.
Go out with
Go
my
out with my friends.
With my friends, and to meet my relatives as well.
Okay, now to go out with my friends, to meet my relatives, this is not proper sentence. You should say, sometimes I also meet my relatives. After making one sentence, when you make another one, try to make it separately with proper subject with that. So speak actively, energetically, have a simple approach, answer the question directly, and you'll be fine.
Sir, after the end, after and like this linking.
This is wrong.
No,
Yeah.
I'm asking a question. After and, can we add another subject?
2 things. After and, you can add a completely new sentence. Okay. Right? And after and, you can add more things. For example, water and biscuits.
Yes.
Right? You can add words and you can add a completely new sentence. But it should have subject, verb, object.
Okay, after and I can.
Yes, but full sentence.
Okay.
Right? With subject, verb and object.
ठीक.
Right? And speak actively and energetically.
Okay,
ठीक है?
sir. Okay,
क्या करनी इतनी एनर्जी? अगर लेजी, कुछ लोग जान के लेजी रहते हैं. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.